Personal injury is the prosecution of lawsuits for victims of accidents due to the negligence of others. In that area of law, we've had hundreds of cases in which we have helped people compensate millions of dollars.
My name is Vito Ventimiglia. For 12 years, I worked as a construction worker in Manhattan. I started my usual proceedings, lifting, carrying materials from one point to another. When they asked me to go outside of the building, and they said, get that lumber, all that lumber that's out there has to come inside the building. They had a plank. It was built by 2x4s. It wasn't very secured. I started to bring them in. I tripped over and fell straight down, about 8 feet. The following day, I went back to work. I tried to work again, and I couldn't. That's when I realized there was something wrong. My hip was cracked. I had other problems too, as well. My knee was injured too, and my back, shoulders. I was in really bad shape.
40 years ago, my grandfather, who was a union worker, was injured as a result of an accident on the job. Back then, what would happen is when workers who were involved in construction or renovation or repair, if they were injured in that sort of accident, the only remedy was workers' compensation. We all know that workers' compensation does not give you enough money really to survive on. Since then, they passed laws in the state legislature, and those laws were meant to protect workers who either are working construction, renovation, repair, fall from heights, but it was meant to protect workers. It's called the labor law. What the law does is it makes it far easier for workers to be compensated for the injuries that they have as a result of their perilous jobs.
I had to look for the right lawyer. We went to litigation, and Michael went in there, and I was happy with the result. I'm happy with the law firm, everything they've done for me for this whole period of time that I've been consulting with them. They've been there for me every step of the way. If anybody that I know that get hurt, record them to Michael. I just give him his number. Then he's taking on their cases too, and they're very happy too.
What I'll tell you is that our job is to fight for each and every one of our clients and to provide the most aggressive, the most assertive, and the most professional service that I can in order to, in some small way, compensate them for what they lost as a result of the accident that they had.